Hey guys, it's me, Will, the awesome guy. All these videos are pretty cruddy, but this one's awesome, because I'm in it. What's up, Little Squad? I'm back.
Yo, what's up, listeners, and welcome back to my channel. What's up?
What's good? Hi.
I'm currently visiting my extended family in Wisconsin. It is sunset right now. It's frickin' freezing. It's like actually below freezing. And it's times like this, or where I find myself walking through the snow with the tripod, or up all night editing a video, or prioritizing hitting an upload date over all other tasks. When I ask myself, like, why do I care so damn much about making these videos? When other people ask me this question, I often just come up with a cliche response like, it's just something to keep me busy, or it's a way that I can make money at a young age, but of course, neither of those are true. Honestly, I don't even know how to put why I love it so much into words. It's kind of this indescribable collection of feelings that all contribute to my love for creating. And I've been loving it for as long as I can remember. Making videos is my outlet to express myself. I know that some people journal or make music, but for me, the only way that I can accurately convey my emotions is through these videos. I use video making as a coping mechanism. It's a way that I can channel everything that I'm feeling and turn it into something creative. I think about the past 2 years of my life and all the experiences that I've had and the growth that I've experienced, both my simple joys and my casual magic. I really want to be able to capture that roller coaster of emotions that I felt, and with that, I want to create something that will last forever. Some of the best experiences in my life would never have happened if I hadn't started making these videos. There are so many people that I never would have met, and the more of these experiences that I have, the more eager I am to continue, and the more that I seek beauty and happiness and adventure so that I can capture them through my perspective and my own creative lens. YouTube is one of the only things in my life that I have full control of, and I call 100% of the shots. I make the decision. It's truly mine. It may sound materialistic, but every single like a video of mine gets, and every subscriber I receive, every kind, heartfelt comment left is a product of something that I have created. It's something that I've done, and something that only I can take credit for. I think that's a big part of why I love it so much. There's no stress because I'm in control. I'm truly free to do whatever I want and express myself in whatever ways that make me happy and confident. I'm just so grateful to receive so much support and love for it. Making videos is also one of the few things in my life that stayed consistent ever since I started my channel 4 years ago. Watching myself grow up has been interesting, and I remember not too long ago I used to find my old content unimaginably cringy, but recently it's been cool to look back and see my growth. These older videos allow me to look back at my life and see all the incredible things that I've had and experienced and done. I'll also look back at old projects that I used to be extremely proud of, and when I look at my videos now, it's crazy how much more emotion and meaning is conveyed, which just makes me excited for the future of my channel and these videos. I've been able to watch myself grow as a person, but also as a filmmaker, through finding new cinematic techniques and shot layouts, and creating an editing style that's unique and my own, and tying it all together with cleared, amazing music. which segues nicely into the sponsor of today's video. A huge thank you to Thematic for sponsoring today's video. Are any of you guys fellow content creators? Maybe you have your own YouTube channel, or maybe you have a New Year's resolution to begin creating content. If so, Thematic will literally make it 1,000 times easier for you. I personally have been creating content for 5 years now, which is absurd, and by far the hardest part of my job is finding quality and affordable non-copyrighted music. It is such a task. Thematic is basically just a huge library of cleared music that you can use for free in your videos just by putting a link in the description. If you go to any of my videos over the past year and you go to the description, you will see that I've been using songs from Thematic. My goal with my content has always been to convey emotion and feeling, and that is so hard to do if you don't have the correct source of music. So that's why I'm so thankful to them for increasing my quality of my videos as well as my motivation to make them now that I have access to this great library of songs. But wait, there's more. I have also discovered some of my favorite music artists through Thematic, such as Kawasa, Lizzie McAlpine, Carter Vale, and some of which I've even developed a friendship with because it's such a great way to co-support each other and build off of each other, because you're supporting the artists are supporting your videos by letting you use their music, and then you're linking them back to their artists. It's a great program. There is new music being released every single week on Thematic, and the weekly matches feature curates it to your liking based on what other music you've downloaded in the past. Thematic's artist drop feature allows you to be notified every single time one of the artists that you follow releases new music. The music alone just allows an entirely different feel to your content, a whole new level, and it makes it very unique and specific to you and your likings, which then viewers will notice and respond very positively to. Not only am I very picky about the brands that I work with, but I've also been using Thematic's premium version for the past almost year, so I'm so excited about this partnership, and I strongly encourage you guys to try out Thematic. It will take your content to the next level and save you so much time while editing and finding music. So there really is no downside. Link in description. Go check it out. So yes, using music from Thematic, expanding my horizons in the world of cinematography, editing techniques, and figuring out ways to turn a simple concept into a beautiful piece of art are all big motivators for me to keep going with this thing that I've loved for so many years. As if all of that isn't enough already, it's crazy to think that I have 17,000 friends. Camera won't focus, there we go. To think that so many people care and are interested in what I do with my life is absurd, but I'm forever grateful. Receiving your positive messages and comments and people telling me that in one way or another I have inspired them or pushed them to be a better version of themselves just fills my heart with gratitude and pride. It adds a whole nother level and purpose to these videos and pushes me to keep creating. Even in times where I do feel blocked or unmotivated, you guys are that source of passion and motivation for me. It pushes me to improve my content and build my confidence, not just as a filmmaker, but also as an individual. So thank you guys so much for supporting this passion of mine and allowing me to make these films consistently and making sure I don't feel too bad when I am editing videos instead of doing things like homework. It's crazy that what was just once a little kid making videos on the internet has turned into all this. And I think that that is why I create. Thank you for watching.